Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing well. And as promised to you, I am traveling again and a new travel series begins. So friends, I'm going to Goa. The travel requirements for traveling from Karnataka to Goa are a negative RT-PCR report or a final COVID vaccination certificate. So since I have a final COVID vaccination certificate, I do not need a negative RT-PCR report. I'm traveling by flight from Bangalore to Goa, and this time I will be again headed towards South Goa. If you have seen my travel series, in the last travel series, that is in 2020, we had traveled both to South Goa and North Goa. So in my last travel series, I had taken you to Cavalusam Beach, Mobo, Betul, and also the Baga Beach in North Goa. So this time we are going to stay in Bogmallo Beach Resort, which is just near to the Bogmallo Beach. So things are packed. I'm ready for the Goa trip. So let's travel together and let me show you Goa once again. And this time I'm going to cover something new which you have not seen in my earlier travel series. So let's go. Reached the airport, and right now we are at the airport, so enjoying a cup of hot coffee, filter coffee at Bangalore airport. And this we have some time to board the aircraft, so we'll go around, have some fun, enjoy, and then I'll meet you at Goa.
अब आप मोबाइल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। सीट बेल्ट का संकेत बंद होने तक कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें और सामान कक्ष न खोलें। हम आपसे निवेदन करते हैं कि विमान से उतरते समय अन्य यात्रियों से पर्याप्त दूरी बनाए रखें।
Reached Goa. Acha. Colorful, huh?
Colorful, and it's welcoming you.
It's almost beach. Like a sandy beach wala na.
Seashells and all that.
Goa. ये किसका बैग है? reached Goa and now heading towards our resort. So this is the taxi stand at Goa Airport. This is the Bogmallo church. So we have reached the resort. So guys, we are here at the Bogmallo beach resort and I'll show you the view. What a beautiful view. So this is the view I was talking about. Just next to the Bogmallo beach, we have Bogmallo beach resort. So now we are going for lunch to the restaurant. So friends, at my back you can see the Bogmallo beach and we are at the Bogmallo beach resort going for lunch and then I'll show you the whole resort. This is the restaurant. So friends, reached the Bogmallo beach resort and this resort is 7.5 kilometers from the Dabolim International Airport. So it takes around 10 minutes to reach this resort from the airport. And after reaching, we had a quick lunch and then we have just come into our rooms and this room looks very nice and it is a sea view facing room. So let me show you the room. The view outside the room and let's have a look. As soon as you enter the room, so there's storage space here towards the left. Let me show you. And here also we have a locker and space, and towards the right we have the washroom with a bathtub. And then we have a mini bar here with a refrigerator. It's empty. And here we have a coffee counter. And here we have the bed, a TV, and this is the dressing area, work desk here, and a small seating area to enjoy the view in the evenings. This is the best part, guys. Let me show you the view. Wow, this is the view, guys. And you can see all the water activities going on here. And नीचे आप स्विमिंग पूल देख सकते हैं. Just on the beach, this resort has an awesome location, and यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं all water activities हो रही हैं, water sports हो रहे हैं, parasailing हो रही है, I think banana boat ride भी हो रही है, and there people are enjoying. Is also nearby, so you don't have to go far when you have to catch a flight. So this is my first day at Bogmallo Beach Resort, and look at the back, what an awesome view. रूम के अंदर चलते हैं, बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. मार्च में ही गर्मी शुरू हो गई है, बट द रूम्स आर नाइसली एयर कंडीशन एंड रूम के अंदर गर्मी नहीं लग रही है. सो नाइस रिसॉर्ट, एंड आपको मैं दिखाती रहूँगी व्हाट ऑल एक्टिविटीज़ वी विल डू इन दिस रिसॉर्ट. एक्चुअली गोवा में मार्च तक वेदर ठीक रहता है, बट आई फील अभी थोड़ी ह्यूमिडिटी शुरू हो गई है और हल्की सी गर्मी भी शुरू हो गई है. तो this is the time, January, December, Jan, Feb, and they say till March you can come to Goa. So but दिन के टाइम गर्मी है. So let me take a break and then आपको एक नई जगह ले चलेंगे.